Okay, so hello guys. In this video, we will talk about what is PHP and history of PHP and flowchart and command, how we use the single line command, how we use the multi-line command, and variable. So let's get it started. So number one, what is PHP? So PHP is a hypertext preprocessor language, and it's a server-side scripted language and primarily used for web development. And it is created in 1994. And after that, some version it comes PHP 2, PHP 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Currently 8.2 is running, which is released on the 24, 2022. So this is the history and your PHP related information. Now we understand the what is the flowchart. So in Python series, I already told about the flowchart, and now let me show you. So I'm going to Google and type the flowchart and simple go to images, and as you can see some diagrams comes. Okay, so this is the like a pictorial representation. So you have to simple when you are writing the code, so you can basically in a starting you can use this symbol and understand how your flowchart is working. Initial you have to use like this symbol start and end when you are starting and ending. Then after that you have to use uh, this symbol. I'll show you input and output type. And when we are processing, then you have to use a process, and after that you have to use a condition like this. So mostly use this 4 to 5 symbol. Okay. So if you are in doubt, so you can go to check out a Python series video. You can easily understand how flowchart. So now we are understand the comment. So here is question arise why we use the comment. So basically, when you are working on the organization, uh, and after you are leave the organization and someone it comes to your position and he is working on your code, so he is not understanding easily. If you are using the comment, so he or she can understand the easily and work on your code. So that's why we use the single line comment. And most important, compile did not read this. Okay. So when you are using the comment, uh, anything is not comes. Okay. Now we talk about this is the single line comment and this is the multiple line comment. Okay. You have to for multiple line you have to simple use the slash and a star and then closing tag star and slash. Okay, and then now we talk about a variable. So when you talk about a variable, so it's a take a address of memory. Like suppose that you are taking any variable, like in PHP dollar name is equal to your any name, like my name is Babulal. I'm taking here Babulal. Okay, and we echo this to call this name. Okay. Okay. So name is a variable which is contain the value Babulal in your memory. Okay. When we call the name, its value Babulal is printed. So now call this demo.php. So Babulal is comes. Okay. So this is the variable. Like this, you can define the variable. Okay. And you can also take some other variable A, B, C, D and use the addition, multiplication, and other things, operations. Okay. So in coming videos, we will see your condition, if, else, if, and your else condition, and loop, how we use the loop, and after that loop, we use the function, and then we go to oops. Okay. So in coming videos, we will see this.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.